Hi everyone. I wanted to make just another video to do the learning outcome, explain why antibiotics used against bacteria are ineffective against viruses. And you might have gone to the doctor when you have the flu or COVID and ask, can I have an antibiotic to make me feel better? And the physician will say, no, I will not give you an antibiotic because antibiotics don't work against viruses. Now, there are specific antiviral drugs, but I'm talking about the antibiotics that we're used to using for, infections like earaches and sore throats and things like that. Things like penicillin and cephalosporin, colistin, tetracycline, things like that. Some of these things you've heard of and some of them you haven't. But let's look at how antibiotics work against bacteria. Here's a whole big list of antibiotics that target bacterial cell walls. So they damage the cell walls of bacteria and kill the bacteria. Some target the plasma membranes. And so again, there's a big list of different antibiotics that do that and can kill bacterial cells that way. Other antibiotics target ribosomes and protein synthesis. Some target metabolic pathways and prevent the synthesis or the metabolism of certain important compounds. Other antibiotics target and prevent DNA and RNA synthesis. So when you look at this, bacteria are dependent upon all these things to function normally. But a virus doesn't have a cell wall. A virus doesn't have a plasma membrane. They don't have ribosomes. They need ribosomes because they need proteins made, but the ribosomes they use are the ribosomes of their host cell. They don't have their own. So they need certain metabolic pathways. They need DNA and RNA synthesis, but they depend on their host cell. So you would have to kill your host cells in order to kill the virus. And so let's go back to that. Why antibiotics used against bacteria? Why are they ineffective against viruses? Because we're not targeting any of the viral structures. It's targeting only the host cells. So next time you go to the doctor and you want an antibiotic against an influenza infection, maybe you'll understand why the doctor will say, no, that's a viral infection. Good luck.